Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2007 Mustang Shelby GT. So this is not a GT 500, but a GT, a pretty rare car in itself. In 2007, you could have your Mustang sent out to Shelby itself in Las Vegas, and they did a complete transformation. They did a Ford performance exhaust, which is in the trunk here, because the owner has put on Borla exhaust. He preferred that it was a little quieter. So if you want a little louder, we've got that. It comes with a tuner because of course the engine was tuned by Shelby as well. All the original parts are there, including the helical rear end that's been changed, so the old rear end is in there. You've got a car cover there. The guy put a spare tire in it, so the spare tire blow-up kit is right there. The original window stickers, all the original paperwork. This is a complete blow-up of the Shelby Plaque signed by Carroll Shelby, so in a banner to go above the car in the garage. So that's there, along with the window sticker, the brochures, the Shelby brochures, all the paperwork. I mean, it's just full of goodies in there. Little Shelby GT up there as well. So let's close this trunk, and you can see from behind, absolutely stunning. Just a beauty. Gorgeous car. It's got the license plates with the Shelby number emblazed on there as well. The nice rally wheels that you see there, the GT 5-spoke wheels, they're awesome. And inside here, we've got the Shelby GT down on that rocker cover, as well as on the floor mats. And there's another set of rubber mats in the back as well. You can see in the back that nothing's really been ever touched. It's just in outstanding condition. The louvers you cannot see in, but you can certainly see out, as you can see there. And that's on both sides. So when you're on the driver's side, you can see out, no problem. Visibility not impaired whatsoever. Let's climb in and just have a look in the door frames. That is just a thing of beauty. In here are the original books for the car also. So all the documentation is there, including even the dash plaque signed by Carroll Shelby. It's got the Hurst short shifter and the Shaker 500 sound system, the little Shelby plug-in in here. Instead of having your cigarette lighter, it's got a little magnet there to hold the Shelby sign right there. Beautiful. And nice big speakers in it. Gorgeous car. Wow. So it's got the Shelby GT stripe on it, powered by Ford logo. The wheels and tires are spectacular. The brakes, everything's brand spanking new, as you can see. The engine has not a thing of corrosion on it. This car has been kept indoors by the same owner for 11 years. That's crazy. It's got the cross strut tower, chrome bolts to hold that on, chrome cover on the battery, chrome cover on the electronics, chrome covers everywhere. All beautiful aluminum done up there. And then the cold air intake with the Ford Racing. Here's your Shelby GT plaque right on the vehicle. This front cover has been changed from the original plastic to this black gloss with the silver stripes going right up through the car. So when you open the hood, it looks fabulous. It's got that nice horizontal grille added to it as well. And then the nice, like everywhere you look, it's just fabulous. Wow, just a beautiful car. The shocks to hold the hood up, and then the hood locks right there. So these little hood locks. So this goes up here, locks in here. Beautiful. So the hood scoop on the front, also fabulous. Wheels and tires, no curb rash, no issues, like brand spanking new. Just, this is an incredible museum piece. Wow. The gas door was changed, and the original gas door is in the trunk. The paint is been polished by us and finished in polymer, and you gotta say wow to that paint, don't you? That's pretty cool. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, the Shaker 500 sound system, power seat, no wear on it whatsoever. It is just a thing of beauty. Let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. Nice. 14,623 kilometers only. And have a look down there and you'll see that it's got even the Shelby aluminum pedals and even a kick plate for your foot over there. There's your Shaker sound system, your infotainment info center right there. You've got air conditioning blowing ice cold, and short shifter by Hurst with the cue ball on it, and cruise control and the 3-spoke steering wheel. Just fabulous. Nice little rumble to it. That's awesome. So let's close the door there. Have a look at it from over here. What a stunning car, man. Beautiful. So there you have it, folks. That is a 2007 Shelby GT Mustang, black with silver, and tons of options, full pedigree, everything signed by Carroll Shelby. All the paperwork is there. What a car, 14,000 kilometers. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.